Hi, my name is Nate Zens, and I am from Eisenhower High School. The most important lessons I've learned while at work are time management and managing many tasks at once. The first month in the maintenance department, I was terrible with managing my tasks. My day starts with doing system checks, then emptying a tank full of oil, and finally dropping a press, which is mixed with what we call sludge, basically a powder and water. I would do one thing, then struggle doing two more things, so it would take me forever to get my things done on time. Since then, I have vastly improved because my mentor, Alan, gave me advice on how to take care of things while doing another task at the same time. Alan has helped me be more independent and definitely more understanding of what must be done in the maintenance department. I got to really know my instructors and trust them, which helped me open up. That really made me want to talk to them and ask questions, which I rarely do. They were also very understanding and helpful in everything I had trouble with. I can't remember a time I was ever frustrated with them about something important. During the past 2 years, I have come to understand I learn best when I'm a part of a small class because it helps me focus. I was always bad at math, so whenever I had to do a lesson, I could never get them done, mainly because I would lose interest and focus. Rosia figured that out pretty quickly and always made sure I was on task, but also gave me time to learn. The other lessons I did this past school year taught me about how serious it is living in the real world. Affording to travel, paying taxes, apartment expenses, those are some of the examples. One of the most important ones that helped me was participating in a mock interview with Pierre. We went into a room, answered a bunch of questions, and had to make sure we knew about the job we were going to go into. From the moment I walked into the room, it was the real deal. He graded me on my handshake, making eye contact, and not stuttering. This was harder than the actual one. In the future, I can apply many of my reasons and work experience to any career I decide to go for. I also learned how to manage my money and how important it is to save when I don't have a job I can afford, so I can afford myself. Now that I am close to graduating, I know firsthand how it feels to work for 20 to 30 hours a week, which is preparing me for those 40 hours weeks. I understand what it means to be tired and to find the energy to wake up the next day and do it over again. Thanks to ITU AbsorbTech for giving me endless opportunities, learn about maintenance, my mom and dad, because they supported my decision to join the program and every day to make my dreams real. Oh yeah, my teachers, Super Rocio and Pierre. My favorite quote says it all. Have no fear for perfection. You'll never reach it. Salvador Dali.